Hello there, Diorama Don here once more with just a slightly different type of video. I do use styrofoam from time to time, but only if I have to, absolutely have to. And I can only buy it in 25 millimeters thick, 1 inch thick. So when you cut it, unless you've got a dead eye, it's very difficult to cut absolutely square with it being that thick. Me in particular, I just cannot cut it squarely. So I thought, well, a hot wire cutter would be the answer. So looking on my shopping channel here in Thailand, where I live, I came across an unbelievable offer of a hot wire cutter for what is the equivalent of £2.70. That's $3.65 for a hot wire cutter, a table hot wire cutter. So anyway, this is what I've just received. So I'll open it for the first time, and we'll see if it's worth the £2.70 that I paid for it. So here we go, this is what we get. You're seeing this for the very first time, as am I. So there's the power source for the batteries, and a bag of bits with a screwdriver even, and two laser cut sheets. So this will be the table, I assume, and these will be the supports. And I've got some instructions. Are they in English? Oh, they are, yes. So that's the apparent finished product. So with the hot wire going down there, and you slide it on the table and cut styrofoam squarely. So if you give me probably 6 months to put it together, and I'll be back in a moment and I'll show you the outcome. Well, here we are, only 10 minutes later. Didn't take long to assemble at all. The instructions were very, very easy. It's turned on, so let's give it a go. Oh my word. Absolutely wonderful. This is going to be a great help. Cuts like butter, and that's 1 inch styrofoam, so it would be easier if it was thinner. There, nice and well, almost. So would you pay £2.70 for this, or $3.65? I think it's well worth the money, and that'll be a great help for my modelling in the future. I can cut styrofoam now and happily know that it's square. So let me know what you think in the comments below, and please subscribe to my channel. And I'll be back with another modelling venture in another video. But thanks for watching this anyway. Thought I'd share it with the world, and I'll see you soon.